Sami Karĩ mwaria wa ene mugunda uyu augite ni wega Kenya na ikaria Narok metheme kwenderio migunda hatari kuona mugunda uyu wa gikundi giki nduri na buroti cia kwendio. Mĩario ĩtũgĩrĩtio ni Jacob Zamante makiuga uria wothe wendeirio athie akandikithie kuri borithi cia uthuthuria.
Wameingilia ardhi yetu, wanatoa maploti, wamechukua pesa kutoka watu, ati plots wanauziwa, na tunataka kuambia the public ya kwamba hakuna ruhusa yeyote tumetoa ya kupata ati ploti.
Hata uuzaji hakuna.
Wowote yule ambaye amepeana pesa aende kwa DCI.
Leo we want to put on notice wale ambayo walijidanganya wakasema wamenunua plots, tunawaambia mlinunua hewa. Enda to an extent ya kuweka mpaka adverts kwa gazeti, which costed these members a lot of money, lakini you ignored. This is my advice. Tangulia enda CID sasa, claim pesa yako kwa sababu hakuna shamba.
O makiregana na mĩario ya andũ marĩa yumĩrĩtie kuga cira ũrĩa warĩ ho wa mĩaka 40 ndũrĩ wathira, makiuga cira watuirwo mwaka wa 2024 na gũtirĩ cira mũgũnda ũyũ wĩnaguo tiga ũrĩa ũcoketio riko.
Wanasema ati wana kibali ya Ildamat waende waka withdraw kesi. Ninaomba kukujulisha ya kwamba kesi ya Ildamat iliisha 2024 Mei 24 na judgment ikatolewa.
And it was finalized. Only that there is also an appeal that is pending somewhere. And it is in the process. Meanwhile, some imposters are here and about, conning people, telling them they have plots to demarcate, they have this and that. In fact, they have even gone to the extent of producing some fake titles. Where they get those ideas from, certainly that doesn't belong to the group branch.
Makiaria thutha wa gucagura kamiti ya mugunda uyu kuona atongoria aria mari ho gatene ni maikirio nja ni igoti na matikwenda mugunda uyu uingirio uteti kuona mari na mubango mwega uria mugunda uyu ukubangwo na kuhoya county commissioner wa Narok na maafitha ake mathuthuria aria marahenia muingi.
Tunaweka attention kwa administration and security ya kwamba wawe attention juu ya watu.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ kaunti-inĩ ya Narok, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanyoike wa Mbugua.